Hey guys, I'm Voylin and welcome to this informatic video. I haven't been uploading in the past couple of weeks. Some days ago I uploaded more videos, but then the problem happened again. I'm having a serious problem with Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is a video like I just imported it. Every video that I import is like this. Images as well, and I really don't know how to fix this. Like, even when I go to call it, it's still the same thing. Don't tell me to update my drivers, I already did that. Don't tell me to install it again, still the same issue. And it's really frustrating because I was finally getting the hang of Adobe Premiere Pro after learning it for quite some time. Let's look for a better solution. So this is the editing software that I used to have, Sony Vegas Pro, but that came a little bit too expensive, as you can see the price. So I changed to the movie editor, Sony Movie Studio, Vegas Movie Studio Platinum. That was okay. Until the point that I tried to use more sound effects, like short things of time in timeline, and then it doesn't work. Like, I've been having so much difficulty with all kinds of editing software. So that makes Adobe Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas Pro two options which are not for me anymore. I want editing software that is reliable, that I can keep using without any problems or bugs. So let's see if there's any other solution. Editing software. OpenShot, nope. VideoPad, nope. Freeman, no. So I've heard quite a lot of good things about this one, iMovie and Final Cut Pro. I really hope that those function as well, but I don't have a Mac. It's just a normal Windows PC, which makes it kind of annoying, but I won't really want to switch to Mac. They're too expensive. Like, even if they're worth it, I won't invest that kind of money. I've heard about another program. DaVinci. DaVinci is an inventor, well, was, and a painter, I think. Painting, sculpting, I think. But DaVinci Resolve is a free editing software, and I found it. It is free, like there is a paid version from it. When you look at the screen, it kind of looks similar to Adobe Premiere, I think. Let's try the free version. And I will see you back after I edited this kind of video thing, and I will let you know how it is. And apparently I have to fill out a whole form to be able to get it, so I'm really trying to get this to work, but apparently this has also quite a steep learning curve compared to Adobe Premiere Pro. Like, I'm trying to edit in this and I just cannot find out how to do it easily. So I've been looking for a good solution for a while now. Like, Lightworks was something that kind of piqued my interest because it was free, but it ended up being more of a pain than a real help. So I'm downloading Vegas Movie Studio again, and this is exactly the problem why I stopped using Sony Vegas. Look, so I'm starting to edit a video. This should be a sound effect. It doesn't make any sounds. And in the beginning of the video, where is the beginning? Over here, there should be also a sound effect. This worked a moment ago. Like, I'm just muting the audio a little bit, the main audio, but this audio is still like as loud as it should be, but it still doesn't work. Movie Studio is still a great program to use, but the moment that it comes to this, I cannot find a solution. It frustrates me like hell. Like, it's such a simple thing to play a sound effect, and it does not work. Let's go to Google. Look at what I just found out. Where's my mouse? You hear the sound? It plays again. I just pressed mute and then unmute and then it works again. Why? And that is my whole video edited for today, finally. Because I had been using Adobe Premiere for quite some time, I kind of forgot how easy and simple video editing can be in Sony Vegas. Like, it's very easy to add a title. Just click hub title. In Premiere, on the other hand, you first have to create a title by selecting another menu. You cannot really create it directly on the timeline. You have to put it into a bin and then put it on the timeline. There may be other ways, but I haven't found a workaround to that. To cut, it's a lot easier. The shortcuts are a lot more useful in the beginning. Like in Premiere, you can set the shortcuts like you want to, but it just feels more natural. Is it because this was my first editing software, or is it just because it's more natural? I have no idea. But yeah, that is it for this video, and I'm very glad that I got to finish it and that I found a solution to these things. And let's see if they still work. I will mute the main audio and let's see if the sound effects still work. Yes! I cannot tell you how happy I am that this finally works for the sound effects, that I finally found a workaround. Like, it's definitely a bug that you have to mute and unmute again to hear it. So yeah, this was my little adventure to finding new editing software, but it's not exactly new. It's an old program that I'm using, that I used before, but it works again. Like, I found my solution to this. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you kind of liked this video. It was more like me talking to the camera, trying to figure out editing software, but maybe it's interesting, maybe not. Let's see. Yeah, just have fun.